Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So in this video, I am going to tell you about the holidays homework for chemistry. Yes, so I have given you 3 activities kind of work. So the first is make a sketch on coronavirus COVID-19 on A4 size paper and also write assignment report on symptoms and precautions of the virus. तो इसमें आपने क्या करना है? Firstly, the material that you required for this: A4 size sheet, colors, black sketch, colored pens, assignment sheets 5 to 6, pencil, eraser or sharpener, whatever you required. Okay, then how to do, कैसे करना है? First you will search any sketch of coronavirus from any searching handles like Google, YouTube, newspaper or magazine, or if you have any idea in your own mind, you can use that as well. Okay, then keep that picture in front of you and start making that sketch. Okay, after that your first part of the activity is completed. Now you have to make assignment report. Yes, for this you need to further search about the symptoms and precautions, right? And then take your assignment sheets and start making assignment with beautiful colorful pens. Okay, and it would be of 5 to 6 pages, and then that's how you will be able to complete your first part of chemistry holidays homework. I think it would be very interesting to search something that is going viral these days, right? So next topic is learn 1 to 20 elements of periodic table along with their atomic number, mass number, electronic configuration and valences. This is a very useful thing from chemistry point of view, as it will be very useful in our upcoming chapters, जो भी आने वाले chapters हैं. तो I want that you will be prepared for this thing in advance. Okay, तो फिर आपने क्या करना है कि 120 है ये एलिमेंट्स, 120 एलिमेंट्स हैं. देखो ये, ठीक है, इनके सिम्बल्स भी दिए हुए हैं, ये भी आपको लर्न करने हैं. देन अटोमिक नंबर, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल बी इक्वल टू अटोमिक नंबर, और प्रोटॉन्स का नंबर भी किसके इक्वल होता है? नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के. देन नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? मास नंबर में से एटॉमिक नंबर माइनस करके. ठीक है, ये आप सच नहीं भी अगर आपको आता तो आपको डायरेक्ट लर्न करना है कि एटॉमिक नंबर हाइड्रोजन का 1 है, हीलियम का 4 है, ऐसे. देन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 1 2 2 1 2 2 ऐसे करके. ठीक है, देन उसकी वैलेंसीज आपको ये लर्न होना चाहिए पूरा टेबल. तो उसमें हाउ वुड यू लर्न दिस? So there is a trick to memorize the periodic table's first 20 elements. आपको you just need to remember 2 sentences. First is hi, hello, listen BBC News on Friday night. Then hi stands for hydrogen, hello stands for helium, listen stands for lithium, B beryllium, then next B boron, C carbon, news nitrogen, on oxygen, then Friday fluorine, and night stands for neon. Take out the bold letters from this sentence and you will be able to remember the name of first 20 elements. This is first 10. Next 10, and there is Hindi sentence, ना मांगो अल्लाह से पेप्सी सोडा कोला और कीमती कार. तो you will be able to learn these next 11 to 20 elements. Na stands for sodium because Na is the symbol for sodium. Mango, Mg, Mg stands for magnesium. Allah, Al, aluminium. Then Se, silicon. Pepsi, P stands for phosphorus. Soda, S stands for sulfur. Then cola, Cl stands for chlorine, or Ar stands for argon. Then कीमती, K stands for potassium, and car, Ca stands for calcium. I hope this mnemonics will help you to memorize these 1 to 20 elements quickly. Next, how you can memorize average atomic mass of first 20 elements easily. तो इसमें क्या है, देयर इज़ अ रूल टू फाइंड द अटोमिक मास, एवरेज अटोमिक मास, द एलिमेंट्स विद इवन अटोमिक नंबर, जिनका अटोमिक नंबर इवन है, एक्सेप्ट दीज टू, बेरिलियम और आर्गन को छोड़ के बाकी सारे 1 to 20 में से जिनका भी अटोमिक नंबर इवन है, उनका एवरेज अटोमिक मास कैन ईजिली बी फाइंड आउट बाय मल्टीप्लाई द अटोमिक नंबर विद 2. ठीक है, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ हीलियम इज़ 2 अटोमिक नंबर, सो इट्स मॉलिक्यूल atomic mass will be 2 into 2 4. Same is in case of carbon, atomic number 6, then atomic mass will be 6 into 2 12. Fine. Then in case of elements with atomic number that is in odd numbers, उसमें how can we find? Firstly we multiply with 2 and then we add 1, except hydrogen, nitrogen and chlorine. ठीक है, तो ये एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. तो नेक्स्ट अभी सपोज इफ़ वी कंसिडर वन एग्जाम्पल बोरोन, द अटोमिक नंबर इज़ 5, सो 5 into 2 10 plus 1 11, so average atomic mass of boron will be 11. So overall exception to these rules will be beryllium, argon, nitrogen, hydrogen and chlorine. Okay, last but not the least, you need to write experiment number 7 to determine the melting point of ice and boiling point of water on your science lab manual. In this you have to write few points like apparatus. Firstly write aim on both the sides. Fine. So in this I am going to tell you about how to write this. This is the pen page on which we will write using pen. This is the pencil page. Okay, on pen page we will write, yes, aim, material required and then procedure. Okay, and on plain sheet, that is pencil page, we will draw diagram using sharp pencil and draw we will shade also to make it looking even more good. Okay, then we will write observation on pencil page and at last result. So in similar way you can write both the experiments of boiling point as well as of melting point. Fine. So that's it. So in this way you will write your experiment number 7. In this it has 2 parts, I think A and B, melting point and then boiling point. Fine. On plain sheet एंड ऑन पेंसिल और पेन पेज, 2 तरह के पेजेस होते हैं. आपको बता दिया मैंने कि किस पे कौन कौन सी चीज़ें आएंगी. फाइन. सो आई होप यू विल enjoy your holidays. Happy summer vacations.